The truck is loaded for another offshore trip. It's a full moon last night, so I'm just crossing my fingers for now. I hope I got enough stuff in the back of the truck. For the trip. Grouper, first one.
Yes,
little
sir.
fella. All right.
That's a good fish.
That's a nice fish. I think we're probably a 24-incher there. Good
You
job.
reckon so?
Yep.
It was about time one of y'all caught up to me.
Uh-huh.
Where's the white clippers, guys?
Oh, they're up there. Gee.
Was it? I don't have the grippers. Oh, yeah, they are behind the seat.
There you go. This is make it safe for you. I got it.
Got it?
Yep. Just don't hold him over the water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, hold him up by his tail.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a beaut. Oh, you know what? Maybe not. Hang on. Hold it one more time.
One more?
Yeah.
Don't show me a hug, son.
What is it? Oh,
Big ass puffer fish?
is that what that is?
Yeah. What is it? Oh, maybe not a puffer, but a...
I never seen nothing like it. What the hell?
The hell is that?
I don't know. Oh, okay.
It's going. All right.
Look at that.
Nice.
Woo!
Got another one on in the background.
Let's take a picture of it.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Coming.
Young man like that should have no issues. I gotta make fun of him because we're on video now. It's just.
He's coming.
And we were just about to call it day.
Yeah.
I have to tell you that mine was barely hooked.
Yeah, it was.
Just barely.
That's what I'm telling him. Just don't horse it. Just... God, I think he was in 200 feet of water.
Now, after all this, it better be a keeper.
Yeah, man.
He's coming. I see him right here.
Oh yeah, oh my lord, look at the size. Oh, that's a big gag. Can you guys believe we can't keep that thing?
Yeah, that's too bad.
Look at that monster, buddy.
Sucks.
Both right next to each other.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Nice.
Hope this ain't another big old gag.
I know.
Well, I don't care. It's
It's still fun to catch.
still fun to catch. That's a big gag. I wish I'd have weighed it.
This one ain't quite as big, I don't think.
Well, I suppose.
It's big.
Justin's on over there too.
You on one?
Oh, look at the size of that porgy. Holy mackerel.
See him?
Yeah.
Gentlemen, we got another keeper there.
There we go.
Fine, boy.
That one?
There you go.
Yeah, keep it.
Boom.
Did you make it?
So.
Let's see.
We
measure?
measure it.
No.
Okay, offshore trip on March 7th, 2023.